Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, your boy Nev from Nev's Tech, but today I want to take a quick look at this linguistic technology by Franklin. Franklin El-ementary Spelling Ace. For those who weren't watching, back in the early 90s, late 80s, Franklin kept releasing all of these old school kind of computer-ishy things that would either read you the Bible or would spell check or give you another word for something. Ready for a word. I know one spell check that always messes up on this one. Spelling ace. Ducking. Oh, wait. Yeah. Because that's always what I mean whenever. There we go. Let's check out. I know one word that always gets changed in my text. Okay, there we go. Now let's take a look and see what it finds. I want to see if it says ducking too. Faking. I wonder if this guy has the word ducking in here. Let's try it. Let's try it. Ducking. Oh, it found it. It's like, yep, that's the right word. That's absolutely the right word. Remember back in the day when your teachers would always tell you, oh, if you can't spell a word, just look it up. Another way of saying, I don't actually know how to do it either, or I don't like you enough to tell you the proper way to spell that, and I want you to go and focus on something. But seriously, if we all had to go off of that, there's no way we'd have any time to get anything done. Oh yeah, that's right. 4 batteries. Very nice. I'm guessing this thing was white at one time, but especially what happened with the Super Nintendo is the anti-fire stuff that they have in it. Fire retardant chemicals turn the things different colors. You gotta be careful. Some plastic actually does burn really well, man. If you have ever been wearing polyester and get it burned, and then get that liquid polyester, hot polyester on your skin, that burns something bad. That's what the pagans tell me, anyways. You always go for cotton. Don't ever get your robes in polyester, ladies and gentlemen. It'll burn. It's like no capes. No capes. It just doesn't work with superheroes. If you're pagan, don't be summoning no demons when you're wearing any polyester. Let's see, one more to go. I love these old computers that are like all in one, only serve one specific purpose. And no one ever actually seems to use them. Seriously, can anyone tell me that they or someone in their family actually used one of these things so much that they ended up having to throw it out, basically because it was worn out, not because they forgot about it. Nobody ever used it for anything. I had something a lot like this when I was a kid that would translate damn near any language. Never actually used it, but I did use the calculator part on it when I had the tutor over. Because we needed a calculator. Just need some extra fingernails. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's nice. There's some motherboard lovers that love it when I dig into this stuff. Oh, my daughter's calling for me. Are you all done? So whenever I get looking at this kind of stuff and then thinking back to what I had versus what my parents had, do we have it better than our parents? I like to say yes in many ways. But then I wonder about the housing market. I don't know about you guys, but man, in Canada, there is just, the prices just keep going up and up, and I thought 25 years things would go down. Seems like if you want to have a good house these days, you have to either have a lot of money from somebody else, or get really lucky. Damn market speculation. I'm an armchair individual, and I think that speculation on the market really messes with it. And again, I hear Canada has lots of laws to make sure that you can't have a monopoly on buildings or something like that. That's interesting. Why is that going there? And this is going all the way over here. Could be wrong, but usually the power, because that's what this went to, the batteries, usually the power doesn't work that way. It usually comes to 2 closer locations, right? Anyways, let's have a look at the keyboard. Oh, I love the keyboards on these things. Are all a little bit different. Beauty. You know, as soon as I flip this over, I'm going to lose them all. Here we go. You only get to see this once. Yeah. I actually got this for $1 in a bin by the door at a flea market. It's interesting. Back in the day, something like this would be hundreds of dollars. And these days, man, I can't even... you can hardly even give these things away. They're cute, they're a novelty, and they're a lot of fun to take apart. But as far as practicality, we don't really need this stuff so much anymore. Anyways, time to put all this fun stuff in the recycling bin. Maybe I should start a jar full of letters and keys. That's it for me, folks. Have a good one. Take care of each other.